citizens of Anonymous. This is an update on the current Operation Sony. Giahote has taken a settlement with Sony. The case has been dropped. In the eyes of the law, the case is closed. For Anonymous, it is just beginning. By forcing social networking sites such as YouTube and Facebook to hand over IP addresses of those who have viewed Giahote's videos, they have performed an act of privacy invasion. We, Anonymous, will not allow this to happen. The attacks on the websites of Sony have been ceased. Sony's poor attempts to explain the system outages through maintenance amuse us. Therefore we are finding other ways to get Sony's attention. This April 16, grab your mask, a few friends, and get to a local Sony store by you. Use the IRC and the official Facebook page to organize a protest in your area. Make sure the people know the injustices performed by this corrupt company. Boycott all Sony products, and if you have recently purchased any, return them. It is time to show large corporations and governments that the people, as a collective whole, can and will change injustice in society, and we will make a great example out of Sony. Sony, prepare for the biggest attack you have ever witnessed, Anonymous style.